Welcome, CNG 212, to Tuesday. In week 11, we have this week and next week. And after that, we start diving into projects. So make sure to um, get this work done for this week and next week so you can really start working on those projects after that. This week's, I think, a key topic we talk about is Windows monitoring, which can be done through events, task manager, resource monitor, performance monitor, um, and understanding how they differentiate and what they offer. Because you don't always want to be using Control Alt Delete for Task Manager. Let's see if I can get it for Task Manager and be able to pop up a Task Manager because I'm trying to get it over here. Because when we look at resource monitor, we get a different visual of some of the same stuff, but not identical items. So understand what the differences are and where you want to go to look at specific information. Um, we look at what else? Counters. Then we kind of move on to backing up Windows Server, server backup, backup server roles, um, recovering files, folders, volumes, um, and what else? Backing up Hyper-V, Active Directory. Yeah, so this is a very informative chapter based on just backups and retrieving backups that influence that are influenced today. If you look around and see someone's hit with ransomware, um, if they were doing efficient backups, they should be able to just roll back to a point in time um, and reverse what the encryption has done, allowing them to allowing for the business to just keep on rolling, keep on going. So we see the importance of backups this week. Also, take a look at it. Maybe it's something you want to base your project on. Like I said, it's really relevant in today's world. So if you have any questions, make sure to reach out. Just keep in mind that we only have 2 more weeks of actual material, and then we start diving into that project. Um, and if you have any questions, make sure to reach out in the Google Hangouts.